Hi everyone, Paul from Matchmaster. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of new products that we've come up with for the IR kit for expanding the system into more TVs and also for transmitting the signal to another part of the house for a different equipment area. So what we've got here is we've got 34mm-IR4X, and the idea behind this is it's just an expansion block for the existing IR system. You've got an RJ45 and then you've got 4 sockets here. So if you take a look here, Brennan, we've got the IR receiver, perhaps in a bedroom in the house, coming across via Cat5 into the main connecting block, which is normally to be found with the equipment because the emitters are only 2 meters long. So what we can do, first of all, is we can plug this into the side of the standard connecting block, and that just allows you to run more TVs into the same setup. And of course it also allows you to daisy chain and continue to add more with no degradation on the signal whatsoever. Very robust. On the other side, it also means you can plug in and transmit to various locations over the structured cabling system, and then what we allow you to do with the introduction of the 34mm-IRMJ is to convert it back from structured cabling system into the 3.5mm port, so you can then plug in the emitters. So if we take this Cat5 and we assume that you're coming out onto the structured cabling system to another part of the house, all you've then got to do is attach the IRMJ and run your emitters straight in. Double-sided tape on this, basically attach it to anything you like. It allows for a much wider distribution of the signal.